Today we're taking a closer look at the Kingston 16GB DDR4 2666MHz ECC module, an outstanding choice for anyone seeking to upgrade their laptop's memory. This module stands out with its impressive specifications, designed to enhance your system's performance and reliability. First off, let's talk about memory capacity. With 16GB of DDR4 RAM, this module provides ample space for multitasking and running intensive applications. Whether you're a professional dealing with large datasets, a gamer seeking smooth gameplay, or a content creator working on demanding projects, this memory module is designed to handle it all efficiently. The Kingston ECC module operates at a speed of 2666 MHz, translating to faster data transfer rates and improved overall system responsiveness. It's rated at PC 4-21300, ensuring that it can keep up with the demands of modern software and operating systems. The CAS latency of CL17 ensures minimal delay, allowing for quicker access to data stored in memory. One of the standout features of this module is its ECC, error-correcting code, capability. ECC memory is crucial for systems that require high reliability and uptime, such as servers and workstations. It automatically detects and corrects data corruption, reducing the risk of system crashes and data loss, which is especially beneficial for critical applications. This module features a dual-rank, 2R, configuration with AX8 chip organization, which enhances memory bandwidth and performance. The data width of X72 and memory depth of 2G further contribute to its robust performance characteristics. The SODIMM form factor, with its 260 pins, ensures compatibility with a wide range of laptops, making it an easy upgrade for many systems. Operating at a low voltage of 1.2 V, this Kingston module is also energy efficient, helping to reduce power consumption and heat generation, which is particularly important for laptops that need to maintain battery life and manage thermal output effectively. In terms of build quality, Kingston is a brand renowned for its reliability and durability. The company's memory modules undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet high standards of performance and stability. This module is no exception, offering the kind of dependability that users have come to expect from Kingston products. To sum it up, the Kingston 16GB DDR4 2666MHz ECC module is an excellent choice for those looking to boost their laptop's performance with reliable and efficient memory. Its combination of high capacity, speed, error-correcting capabilities, and energy efficiency makes it one of the best options on the market. Whether you're upgrading for gaming, professional use, or everyday computing, this memory module will not disappoint. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.